Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already. Now for this video, I'm going to show how I make this aloe vera oil that I usually use while styling me and my daughter's hair. So first of all, I'm going to cut out the amount of aloe vera I use, and then I cut off the spiky sides. After cutting off the spiky sides, I then go ahead to wash very well. Now I'm going to start grating. If you don't want to grate, you can actually cut it into smaller chunks and blend, but for this particular batch I just felt like grating. I like, experimenting different ways of doing stuff. So I'm grating the aloe vera leaf right now, and for aloe vera oil you want to use both the gel and the skin. The skin is very important because that's where most of the antioxidants are packed. That's where you have the chlorophyll, the antioxidants, and also a lot of nutrients are packed on the skin as well as in the gel. So make sure to use both. Sometimes I even use aloe vera skin, especially if I just make aloe vera gel. I don't throw the skin away. I also use the skin to make aloe vera oil. It's also very powerful. Sometimes I even kind of tend to prefer it to the one I made with both the gel and the skin. Now to make the aloe vera oil, I'm going to put some oil in the pan. I used olive oil and a little bit of coconut oil for this recipe. You can choose to use any carrier oil of your choice. You can use grapeseed oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use olive oil, you can use whatever oil you have available. But for this recipe I used coconut oil and olive oil.
It's not enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling, the cityscape by night.
So I let it sit on the stove top on very low heat. For instance, my cooker has heat levels from 1 to 9 and I put it on 1, so it's quite low. I just let it sit in there while stirring, occasionally until it turns like this. It turns brownish and it looks like there's no more water in the oil, and I bring it down. Now I let it sit for a while to cool just for a little bit because I needed it to be warm since I wanted to use it immediately to do hot oil treatment. So I didn't let it cool completely, but normally I usually leave it to sit for a while until it's completely cool. Sometimes I even leave it overnight so that the aloe vera will infuse very, very well into the oil. So I strain it to get my oil. Right now I'm just putting a little bit of the oil in an applicable bottle because I wanted to do a hot oil treatment on Ivy's hair.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling, the cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos, where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Now for the hot oil treatment, I spritz Ivy's hair with aloe vera gel. I usually like using aloe vera gel in place of water. So after working in the aloe vera gel into her hair, I then gradually go in to start applying the aloe vera oil.
It's the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting.
I start applying, from little section at a time, saturate the scalp and gradually work the oil into her hair and massage everything into both her hair and scalp. This treatment is the truth. You can see how thick her hair is. Like, this girl was born without edges. Like, she had just very little stringy hair when she was born. But right now her hair is full and thick because I do treatments like this for her. Now I'm just gradually working in the oil, saturating her scalp and working the oil into her hair from root to tip.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now when I'm done working the oil into her hair and scalp, and making sure to massage everything in properly, I then go in with this thin brush to massage her scalp. Like, this brush is the truth. There's no way someone will massage you with this brush, or you massage someone else with this brush and you or the person would not want to sleep. Like, it's so enjoyable. So I go in with the brush and massage her scalp, making sure to get the problem area. Like, there's somewhere on the side of her head that she has a bad spot that I'm trying to grow out. So I pay special attention on areas like that, and also her edges. Her edges are short because she was not born with edges. So I go in to massage her edges, massage her bad spot. That bad spot, she actually gave it to herself because she liked tugging on that area whenever she's doing something she's enjoying. Like when she's drinking milk or something, she'll be tugging on that area. Sometimes she'll tug too hard and rip off her hair. After all the massage, I cover her hair with a plastic bag and tie it down with scarf, just to increase the heat that her scalp would generate. I leave this in for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then I go ahead to shampoo her hair. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. Love you all. Bye, and see you in my next video.